First real cold snap here in upstate New York. 21 out now. Went to like, I don't know, 10 or 12 or 15, something like that, last night. Big snowstorm coming later today into tomorrow. Been testing out the new greenhouse setup. So far, so good. Used to dip down into the lower 50s, sometimes even the upper 40s in cold snaps like this on the overnights. And this is the greenhouse average temperature. We never really went below about 62 or 63 degrees last night. So working very well. So glad to see that. Just thought I would get a quick clip of it. I'll get more video on all this later. Right now I gotta head out for work. December 16th, I think. It's, yeah, the white poop has begun. We're supposed to get somewhere between 16 inches and 36 inches. So that's kind of fun, you know. I got the landing cleaned up here. Got a bunch of logs up here for firewood. Some of it cut. Went to move some of those chunks tonight with the tractor and it didn't want to start, so I put the battery in the greenhouse to charge and warm up. It turned over, didn't want to pop, so I may have to warm the block up with some warm water or something tomorrow, because I'm going to have to dig out of here to go to my parents to dig them out. Anyway, got a bunch of logs propped up here, so we'll have a little bit of height above the snow. So until the snow quits, I can you know, get in here and cut and get at firewood. And I've got a decent cache arranged. And this is a new weather net on the repeater. Kilowatt 2, kilowatt radio, Papa. Little pile of firewood here, ready to go. Located in beautiful downtown Marpletown, New York, in Ulster County. The Overlook Mountain Weather Net is officially on at 9:30 tonight. We are broadcasting on a frequency of 146.805 with an offset of minus 600 kilohertz. And a PL tone of 103.5. We are looking for check-ins. When you do call in, I need your call sign, your TTH, and your name. And when I do come to you after the initial check-in, I would like you to report your current conditions, the temperature, barometric pressure, wind speed and direction, and if you're able to, your current snow depth. Let me drop. Again, if you can give it to me in that order: current conditions, temperature, barometric pressure, wind speed and direction, and current snow depth. After I read off the list of who has checked in, after I close your station, please report those conditions and then send it back to me. With that, I am looking forward to check-ins on the Omark WeatherNet. Please call in now. OM, Fred, Port Ewing. Hopefully you can hear that okay.
KD2, TLF, Guy in Zeno.
While I stoke this up in here.
82AH, Joe, New Paltz. This is 82 UUI, John in Olive Bridge. Here is KGBHM, Jim in Saugerties. This is KD2MQE, Dave, New Paltz.
KD2IIN, CJ in Tivoli.
head West Hurley. Man, oh man, am I impressed. This is really fantastic. There's so many stations tonight. This is great at such a late hour. Thank you very much. I know I missed a couple because there was a couple of Rooskies out there. So I'm going to read the list, and if I missed you, please try again. So we have AC2OM, we have KD2TLF, 82AH, KD2UUI, K2BHM, KD2MQE, W2NDG, KD2QAK, let me drop a sec, K2LD, W2RWS, AC2UQ, K2MR, KD2TQS, K2JLD, KD2KJU. I know there were probably 2 or 3 other stations there that got stepped over, so try to separate yourselves and call in if I missed your call sign. KD2RBR.
Don't mind the dumb BlackBerry phone.
Anybody else out there that I missed, please call now.
So we're stoked up and running.
Patrick, Sullivan County, Sullivan County, H2RYX.
I got the pumps on right now.
Okay, I got you, Patrick. KD2RYX, very good. Any other check-ins, and then we'll get through this
We
list
can
real quick.
see how we're doing there.
Okay, very good. I will go down the list. This is real fun. Let me start by saying that here in Marbletown...
Welcome to winter in New York. I'd say we got about 2 foot of snow or so, as you can see. Yeah, fun, so fun. Well, I gotta dig out here, and I gotta go dig my parents out. Then I gotta dig firewood out. I hate winter. Alright, well, here we are. Primary dig out complete. I still got a lot more digging out to do. I gotta go down to town and get some diesel fuel for the tractor. Yada yada yada. But just thought I'd get a shot here. You can see we got a pretty significant amount of snow here. I'd say all total probably about 2 feet. And I'm gonna run out of batteries, so forgive me if I do, because I gotta figure out why this charger doesn't work anymore. Anyway, brought some snow in to melt down in here to help keep humidity up. Got the stove fired up. Winds are blowing out there pretty good. Backdrafting a little bit of smoke in here, but we'll deal with that in a bit. Anyway, just thought I'd do a quick update. I hope you found this interesting or informative, or I don't know, something. Hope you got something out of the snow. Hope you enjoy the snow at least. It is beautiful. It's just a royal pain in the butt when you gotta trudge through it and dig through it to do what you normally do. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network. We'll catch you in the next video. Oh yeah, meant to show a quick clip. I just ramped the stove up hot, and you can see all the lines in the chart go nearly vertical with it. So when you want to turn it up, you can turn it up. Turn it up. 2 turnips and heat.